Hi guys, welcome back. Let's talk about the right ways to fix devices and printers freezing problem in Windows 11 or later. Dealing with the devices and printers window freezing in Windows 11 can be rather frustrating, especially when you need to quickly manage printers, scanners, or other connected hardware. This issue often happens due to outdated drivers, corrupted system files, or even background services that aren't working properly. But bother not, because I have got you fully covered with some quick fixes. That's it, let's get started. So first off, I will recommend you to restart the Print Spooler service on your PC. It's worth pointing out that the Print Spooler manages all print jobs, and if it becomes unresponsive, devices and printers may freeze. Therefore, make sure to restart Print Spooler service to get rid of the temporary glitches. To do so, press Windows plus R keyboard shortcut, and then you have to type services.msc. Then you have to find Print Spooler and right click on it. After that, you have to choose the restart option to restore its functionality. If the problem still persists, I would recommend you to update the device drivers on your PC. Note that corrupted or outdated drivers are a common cause of freezing in the devices and printer section. Therefore, make sure to go for this pretty effective solution. To do so, launch the device manager on your PC, and then you have to expand the hardware category. After that, you have to right click the device and choose the update driver option. Then you have to select search automatically for drivers and follow the prompts to install the latest version. And that's about it. So these are the best tips and tricks to fix devices and printers freezing problem in Windows 11 or later. Hopefully these tips have helped you get a better of this annoying problem, and the devices and printers have returned to their normal functionality. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy Windows tips and tricks, and I'll catch you in the next one.